Is Swingbux really a way to get paid every 15 seconds as it claims on its website, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael and I have joined to test this platform and compare it to the hundreds of other different free ways to make money online I have tested, and in this Swingbux review I will give you an inside look and reveal both the pros and the cons, and let me just reveal right away there's some very important details you need to consider before joining, but I'll go over all that in this video. So before I log in and show you how it works, how you potentially can earn, and if it even will be worth it, let's talk about who can join and what Swingbux is. And Swingbux is a get paid to site, or mainly a PTC site, meaning pay to click, where you can earn by clicking ads. We'll go more over all the details about that once I log in, but you can join from more or less all countries, and you can potentially also earn here from all countries. However, it's not necessarily worth it for all, but I will explain why once we take an inside look. So let me now log in and then you can see exactly how it works. I have now logged into Swingbux and it is mainly a PTC site, meaning pay to click, as I already explained, meaning that you can earn by clicking ads. And you can see if you go to the earn menu that there are quite a lot of other ways to earn, but the main way is to earn by viewing ads. This clicks grid is also where you get paid to watch ads, and I'll just quickly go over some of the other ones, but the main thing and why most people join is because they think they can earn a lot of money by clicking ads. It's very simple how it works. You can see that you just get all the different ads. You can see how much you will earn per ad you view, and some of them pay clearly more than others. And there's not that many, but there's a decent amount, not as many as there are on certain other PTC sites. But how it works is that you just click any ad and you click the blue top or where it has this headline, and then I'll just have to wait and it will load, and you can see there's a bar up in the top that loads, and when it's fully loaded, that is when you have earned the amount that you were promised, and then you have to just solve a capture. You have to wait, and then in this case click the upside down picture. I will do that, and then thanks for watching. I can close it down. The earnings are now in my Swingbux account, and that's just how simple it is, and I can just click going through this. Usually new ads are added daily. However, you have to think about here that, for example, for this one, I would earn $0.0005 for clicking this ad, and it took me about 10 seconds. So the claim they say about getting paid every 15 seconds is actually true. However, it's a very, very tiny amount. Some of them pay more, but usually you will also have to watch the ads a little bit longer then. So that's just something to be aware of. But you would have to watch around 2,000 ads of this paying ads, or the ads that pay this much, to earn just $1. 2,000 ads, and they don't even have that many. Of course, if you take some of the ones that pay a little bit higher, then maybe it will only be 1,000, or in total, if you combine them, maybe 1,000 or 1,500 ads. But that's how many you need to click to earn $1. So even though you can get paid by clicking ads every 15 seconds, it will not be a lot. How sites like Swingbux usually work is that there are other ways they really encourage you to earn more, and that's something you need to consider. So instead of going over all these earning methods, because they are more or less the same, they're about you getting paid for watching ads mainly. They also have the offer walls, but the offer walls are just really not worth it on Swingbux compared to many other get paid to sites that are specialized in giving paid offers. So there's no need to go over these different games or different ways to earn, because they are kind of similar. It's all built about giving you very, very tiny earnings, and the main way you can then boost your earnings is by upgrading your account and inviting others. So let's talk a little bit about that next, because that's very important to understand. So on Swingbux and many other PTC sites, they have membership levels, and that's how they really encourage you to earn more, but also how they make a lot of money. And the thing is that it can seem very appealing at first, but you need to understand the details, because if not, then you can end up losing quite a bit of money instead of earning. And that's very important to understand, not just on Swingbux, but on most PTC site that works this way, because you can see the standard one, you have a lifetime one where it's just free, you do not have to pay anything, it's free to sign up, but then you will also only get these 50% of the click value. You will get less for inviting people, or you will get less when the people you have invited will click ads. And a big part of making money on PTC sites is by inviting others, because the earnings are so tiny, so you need to invite thousands of people to just earn a decent amount here, but the people that you will invite will also be struggling, so that's something to be aware of. But that's how the system is built, and you can see all the different options. And if your referral, if people that you invite, if you have a paid membership, you will get a little bit every time they upgrade. And you can see the most expensive membership is $280 for a full year. And let me just reveal right away, if you're planning to just earn by clicking ads yourself, even though you get more for the clicks and all that, that will definitely not be worth it, because it will be very hard for you to even just make back that money. It's only for people that are able to invite thousands of people, because then you can see then there's no limit for how many you can invite directly. Even with this one that costs 170, you can only invite 500 people, and with 500 people invited, you will have a very hard time earning back this money, because the commissions are so tiny, because whatever people earn is just, you see that they have to click 2,000 ads to earn just $1. And then if you get half of that, you can see how many ads people would have to click for you to just make back that money. And the reality is just that most people will give up fairly soon when they figure out what it requires or how much time they need to spend to click ads. And you even have to pay for having referrals deleted, as you can see. So it's just really hard to make a profit. And therefore, it's definitely not a good option for all. And it's very important to understand that. And even if you are able to send a lot of people, for example, I have my YouTube channel, I could send a lot of people and potentially make money, but I just do not support that, because I'm not interested in inviting people to a platform, promising them all kind of things just to make money myself. If I know that the people that I recommend it to will not really make money, if they will have a very hard time to make money, I just do not think that is fair. So in my opinion, even if you are able to send a lot of people to the platform, I would not really recommend it. Then there's a lot of other platforms that are better to recommend, where people will be able to earn without having to pay to upgrade and all this. So that's just my personal opinion. But when that is said, if you make money, whether just by clicking or by inviting people or with a free membership or with a paid membership, then you can get paid. So let's talk about how you can potentially get paid, because that's also important to understand. So the way to get paid will depend on your preferred method. They do give you a few options, and you can choose this as you're signing up. So I just jumped to a sign up page where you can see you can get paid via Perfect Money, per year, Bitcoin, Skrill, and ARTM. So the payout methods are quite good. Per year is very flexible. There's not a lot of sites that offer that. The problem is that many PTC sites that are not really worth it, in my opinion, offer to pay out in per year. There's only a few other sites or get paid to sites that are really worth it, that do offer it. There are a few. I have a video about those. I will leave a link in the top corner so you can check that out if you like getting paid in per year. But Skrill is also a great way, for example, to get paid in cash, or Bitcoin is something that I really love getting paid in, because it has a huge long-term potential. So what you earn now can potentially become worth a lot more in the future. I also have a video about some really great ways to earn Bitcoin for free, so I'll leave a link in the top corner also so you can check that out. But overall, the payout methods are quite good, and you can take your earnings out once you've earned $3. So it's a fairly low payout threshold, which is definitely great. However, it can definitely take you long to reach if you just want to earn by clicking and doing the few other earning options it has inside the platform, because you have to spend a lot of time to just earn $1. So to sum it all up, Swingbux is potentially a way to get paid every 15 seconds, and you can get paid. It does offer some quite good payout options. However, it's really something that will take a lot of patience. To get any real earning opportunities, you will have to pay quite a bit to upgrade and invite a lot of people. If you just want to earn a platform where you can start earning right away quite decently and easily without having to pay anything, then there just are better options that pay more and that makes it a lot faster to earn without having to invite thousands of people. I have a full list on my website about some great get paid to sites that I personally prefer over Swingbux. I will leave a link below so you can check that out if you're interested in that. But also, if you have any experiences yourself with Swingbux, I would love to hear from you in a comment, or if you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I will personally respond to any questions there. So just please tell me about your experiences or share if you have any questions. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.